Girl. Did you guys do anything for me? You did? What did you do?
Wait and see for Mother's Day.
What? Did you make me something?
Yes.
Oh, I'm so excited. You gonna tell me what it is?
No. You'll guess.
Oh, I can't wait to find out.
Yeah. Maybe it's like chocolate cake. Well,
A chocolate cake?
we made it with Daddy.
You did? Oh, I can't wait to find out what it is. I'm gonna love it, I bet. It's what?
It's about
Brownies?
the summer that. No, thank you. It was a no, thank you. It's December.
She's okay, brother. Oh, I'll bet I love it.
I made you something else.
You made me something else?
Look, I do see.